Guys, thank you for joining me. Hello everyone. Welcome to my Forex skill webinar classes. Today I have awesome setup for you in this all pairs you see, and I have got multiple confirmation like a strong bearish and bullish setup with a structure, and the second one is confluence at 5261 favor levels. And the third one is a clear rejection zone aligned with trendline and EMS. So let's go into the chart and decide the next big move in this all pair you see like Euro USD, GBP, NZD, AUD and gold, and last one is DXY. Okay, so now go to the technical analyze first. The first one is go to the support resistance. You need to understand about the support resistance. Here you see I draw the support resistance here in 1 day time frame. You see Euro USD. This is our support, and here you see this is our resistance. It is very important. Whenever you analyze, you definitely draw. It is also called psychological level. So here you see this is our support resistance. This three line where the price is always retest at this level. Support means it's a price level where buying pressure is expected and the price to bounce back up. And the resistance means a price level where selling pressure is expected to be strong enough to overcome buying pressure and potentially causing the price to fall back down. Okay, so here you see in the market the price is going in up direction. Here you see now it comes here for the support level for the retest, then going upside. Here you see now here it comes again this support level for the retest sometimes, then going upside. Now here the trend is changed, so that's the reason this is going downside. Okay, it is also called psychological level, that's it. And it's is not fixed. Okay, this psychological level is not fixed, it shifts according to the markets. Okay, here the price is retest at this level, this support level, then going to the own direction. Here you see our support resistance is done. After this you need to understand about the trend. Here you are watching, this is 8 EMA and this is 14 EMA. When this 8 EMA crosses downside, so it's called downtrend, and this 8 EMA crosses upside, so it's called uptrend. Okay, here you see this is uptrend because 8 EMA crosses upside, and here it is downtrend because 8 EMA crosses 14 EMA crosses downsides here. So trend is clear now. In 1 day time frame Euro USD the trend is down. Okay, so we are going to analyze downside in 4 hour time frame. Here you see now we are going in 4 hour time frame. Here you see this is our trend line, it shows it is downtrend. Okay, now after this I am going to tell you about the structure for uptrend and downtrend. Here you see the structure for uptrend is this, and the structure for downtrend is like this. The market going like this. The structure for uptrend is here. It is our higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high here. Okay, and the structure for downtrend is lower high here, lower low, lower high here, and the here is lower low. Okay, Now we go to the into the chart. Here we see the structure here. Here you see this is our structure I drawn. This is a structure, okay? This is a structure for downtrend and it is also called M pattern, okay? Now, after this, you need to understand about the Fibonacci levels. Fibonacci is drawn here. Our see, you see our trend is down, so we are going to analyze downside. Here you see this is our Fibonacci's. The price is always retest here 38%, 50%, 61, 78, 88 and 100. This all is our key levels and the common retest zone is between this 50 to 61%. Here you see and it has here high supply zone you see. Here it means price comes here for the retest at this level then going to the target, okay? Here you see, okay? Here we are waiting for the confirmation at this level. The price is still not retest here, okay? This supply zone, it means here trader may use this supply zone to enter short position and long position means buy or sell and take to the profit. That's it. After confirmation, we entry here, short position here at this level. Our SL is 88% and our target is minus 27%, okay? And here this is done. Here I am going to again draw the structure. This is our higher high, higher low, higher high here. Now the here trend is changed, so it's become lower high, lower low, lower high, then going to the new lower low here, okay? So this is a analyze for Euro USD. Now go to the analyze for GBP USD here. Here again, the first one is you need to understand about the support resistance. It is very important. I already told you. Here you see a horizontal support resistance are drawn at this level. You see this is our support and this is resistance. This free line is our support resistance. Okay, done. Now here again you see the prices always comes here for the retest. Here you are watching in the market, price is going offside, then it comes here, this support layer for the retest, then going upside, then again comes here, then boom, then now here the market shifts in downside. So that's the reason markets comes at this level for the support, then going to the downside. Okay, okay. Now after this you need to understand about the trend. Here you see this this is 8 EMA and this is 14 EMA. When this 8 EMA crosses downside, so it's called downtrend, and this 8 EMA crosses upside, so it's called uptrend. Okay, so in 1 day time frame, GBP USD is down. So that's the reason I am going to analyze downside here. Here you see this is our trend line. It shows it's a downtrend. Okay. So after this, I'm going to tell you about the structure for downtrend. Again, because it is very important. This is downtrend structure. Okay. You see, this is our lower high, lower low, lower high at this level, and this is new lower low. Okay. So we are going into the chart. Here you see the structure. This is our lower high, then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high at this level, then going to the new lower low, means going to the target. Okay. And this is also called M pattern for downtrend and W pattern for uptrend. Okay. After this, I'm going to draw the Fibonacci. Fibonacci is drawn recent lower high to lower low at this level. You see, it means price comes here between this 50 to 61%. This is generally retracement area. This have high projection area at this. When market comes at this level, then going to the target. Here I drawn. This is our also supply zone at this level. Many traders are use here short position and long position. Then take to the profit. It means markets comes at this level for the retest, then going to the target minus 27%. Here you see this is our target. Okay. Now price is currently, here you see it's around 1.33 point something. Here we are waiting for the retest. After retest is done, we entry here. Our SL is 88% and our target is minus 27%. Okay. This is our bearish setup. You see, this is analyzed for GBP USD 4-hour time frame. Now going to analyze next one. Here you see this is NZD USD going in 1 day time frame. Here you see I already drawn a horizontal support resistance, a psychological level. Here this tree line is our psychological level where price is going to the retest. You see price is going here up direction, then it comes here for the retest, then going upside. Now the here trend is changed, so that's the reason market comes at this level for the supports, for the resistance, then going downside. Okay. Now after this trend, this here you see this red line is 8 EMA and this blue line is 14 EMA. When this 8 EMA crosses downside, so it's called downtrend, and here 8 EMA crosses upside, so it's called uptrend. Okay. So now here NZUSD 1 day time frame, our trend is down. So we are going to analyze downside. Here you see, here I draw this trend line to know it's a downtrend. It indicates it's a downtrend structure, bearish structure. At this level, this trend line is very helpful to know about where the price is also going to retest. You see, price always touch this trend line for the retest, then going downside. Here you see, then again touch this trend line, then going downside. Now we are waiting for the touch this trend line for the retest at this level, then going to the target. Okay. So that's the reason this trend line is also very important. Here you see our previous trend line is downsides. Okay. Here you see market comes this trend line, then going downside, then again touch this trend line, then going to the downside. Now here the market shift in upside. Okay. So that's the reason this is very important. Now after this I'm going to draw Here, Fibonacci, Fibonacci retracement. Our trend is down in 1 day time frame, so we are going to draw downside analysis. Here you see Fibonacci is drawn recent lower high to lower low. Okay, the price is always retest. I told you between this level 50 to 61%, and here it's a common retest zone, but there are price retest at also this level 78, 88%, 100%, 38. Okay, but this is our common retest area at this level. Here it has high projection area. This is our supply zone. When market comes at this level, then going to the target. I draw the structure here. You see, this is our structure. Market comes here, then going to the downside. This is our lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low here. Okay, and it is also called M pattern. Here you see the market is going in the form of M. Okay, here we are waiting for the retest at this 50%, then going to the target. Here the price is still not retest. We are waiting for retestment. After retest is done, we entry here, and our SL is here, and target is at this level minus 27%. Okay, so here you see this is our analyze for NZD in 4 hour time frame. This is also you see it is our bearish structure. Now going to analyze EOD as it is. I drawn a support resistance you see, because it is very important. Whenever you analyze, you definitely draw this tree line is our psychological level where the prices retest. You also see in this chart the market is going offside. Here you see offside, then it comes here for this support level, then moving offside. Here you see this is our sideways. Here you see now the here market trends downsides, so that's the reason market comes this level for the resistance, then going to the target downsides. So after this, here you see this is our downtrend. How you should know about the trend is up or the trend is down, because this is 8 EMA and this is 14 EMA. When it crosses downsides, so it's called downtrend, and this is crosses 8 EMA crosses upside, so it's called uptrend. Now we are going to the analysis downside in AOD. Here you see this is our trend line. It shows it's a downtrend. It's very important. I told you the markets comes here, touch this trend line, then going to downside, then again for retest, then going downside. Now we are waiting for the touch this trend line. Here you see now going to the target. Okay. Now here you see the structure for downtrend. I already told you the structure for downtrend is like this. Sorry guys. Here you see this is the structure. This is our lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high here, then going to the new lower low, means going to the target. And here you see this is the structure for downtrend, and it is also called M pattern. Okay. Now I draw the Fibonacci recent lower high to lower low. Okay, Fibonacci is drawn at this level. We draw the Fibonacci to know about where the price is going to be retest. Okay, the price is retest at this level 50 to 61%. It has high projection area at this level. When the market comes at this level for the retest between this, then going to the downside, then going to the target. Here you see this is our target, but there are more chances for retest because it has support resistance you see also here and 50 to 61% Fibonacci level. Okay, after retest is done, we should entry here short position at this level. This is our SL 78% and our target is minus 27%. Our risk reward ratio is always 1 is to 3 and minimum 1 is to 2. Okay, so this is our you see also it's a bearish structure. Our analysis is done in AUD USD 4-hour time frame. Okay, now we are going to analyze gold going in 1 day time frame. Here I already drawn this psychological level here. Here you see market is going up direction here, then it comes here this level for the retest, then going upside. Here you see, and again it comes here for the retest for some times, then moving upwards. Okay, so that's the reason this is very important. Now here trend, here you see trend is up because ATMA crosses offside. Here you see it crosses offside, so that's the reason this is uptrend. Okay, now we are going to analyze in this gold offside. In this all pair you see all are downtrend. Now here the gold is up, so we are going to analyze offside. Here you see this is our trend line, this is uptrend. It shows it's a uptrend and our previous trend is down. Here you see now here the market shift offside, so that's the reason the trend is changed. Here you also see market touch at this level. There are two times touch this level. The first one is here and the second one is here and third one is here, then going to the downside. Now here market shifts, so that's the reason it's going to offside. First one is here touch this trend and the second here, and the third one is we are waiting for the touch this trend line and going to the target. Okay, now you should know about the structure for uptrend because here the trend is offside. The structure for uptrend is you see this is uptrend, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low here, then this is higher high. Okay, this is the structure and it is called W pattern. I told you for upside structure W pattern, for downside M pattern. Okay, here you see it is M pattern. Now we draw the Fibonacci higher low to higher high. Here you see markets comes at this level 50 to 61% for the retest, but market also retests at this level, also this level 78, 88, 100%. Okay, it means markets comes here for the retest, then going to the target. Here you see, and it has also supply zone. Here you see high projection area where the price comes for retest, then going to the offside. Now we are waiting for the test here. We entry long position and our stop loss is 78% and our target is minus 27%. Okay, so this is analyzed for bullish market, bullish structure in gold. Now the last one is DXY. Here you see our trend is up in 1 day time frame, so that's the reason we are going in 4 hour time frame offside. But here I also draw support resistance. You see the market going downside, then comes here for the retest, then going downside. Okay, the market retest always at this level, these three lines, our psychological level. Now here the trend is up, so we draw the trend line upside. This is our trend line. It indicates it is uptrend, and the structure for uptrend is, you see, this is a structure for uptrend. Here lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now here the market shift in upside. So that's the reason this has become higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay. Here you see it is W pattern for offside. Now I draw the Fibonacci higher low to higher high at this level. Markets here you see currently is around 61% going at this level. After this retest, this is our target. Okay, here it has high supply zone at this level. You see between this 50 to 61%. Okay, the price is retest at this level. I'm waiting here. When the market shift in offside, then ATM crosses offside and the green candle is made, then we should enter the trade. Here our SL is here 88% and our target is minus 27%. Okay, so this is our target. So this is analyzed for bullish market. Here you see. So the first one is here you see Euro USD markets comes here then going downside, and the second is GBP USD, and the third is NZD USD. Here you see, and fourth is AUD, and 6 is gold here, and the last one is DXY. Here you see. Alright trader, that's it for today's session. I hope you gained some powerful knowledge and got strategies. Remember trader, consistency, discipline and patience are your greatest trading tool. If you found value in this session, stay connected for more advanced topic in this next session. That's it for today. If you join my mentorship classes, message me. My team will help you. Thank you for being part of webinar session.